Well, sooner or later, we're all going to experience a dead battery in our motorcycle. So in today's video, I want to walk you through step by step on how to change the battery in your Sportster S. So stick around. All right, as we get started here, the battery to the Sportster S is located behind that front wheel and underneath the radiator. This is where we're going to be spending most of our time today. Step number one, we're going to remove the right side chin spoiler extension. There's a total of 4 screws on the right side, and you're going to need a Torx 30 to get those loose. We'll start with the front 2 screws and then move our way to the back. Go ahead and remove the right side chin spoiler and then repeat the same process for the left side. Please note that the left side chin spoiler, you have to remove 5 screws where the right side was only 4. And the one on the center on the left side can be a little tricky to find, so pay extra attention. Now let's remove the chin spoiler in the center and the 3 screws holding it in place. Set all 3 pieces aside and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now this is very important. Be sure and remove the negative battery cable first and then remove the positive second. All right, next up, let's remove the voltage regulator bracket and the 2 screws that holds it in place. Once you've done that, just remove the bracket and make room for the battery to slide out. Take the old battery out. Put the new battery in. I'm using the same battery here, just for demonstration purposes. Now we're going to go in reverse. Be sure and add the voltage regulator bracket back in place and screw it down. Since we detached the negative battery cable first, we're going in opposite order, so we're going to reattach the positive before moving to the negative. Before you put the chin spoilers back on, now would be a great time to test out the motorcycle, make sure you've got power and the bike starts. Reattach the center chin spoiler, then the right and the left, and you are done. Well, thank you guys very much for watching today. I hope you found this video useful. Please check back on the channel for more Sportster S related content. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.